Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the channel where we turn ordinary houses into extraordinary homes. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we are diving deep into a housing revolution that is rewriting the rules of modern architecture, portable container homes design. At its core, this concept involves taking heavy-duty steel shipping containers, originally built to cross oceans, and repurposing them into fully functional, stylish, and structurally sound living spaces. The portable aspect means these homes are engineered with mobility and modularity in mind. They can be easily loaded onto trailers, transported across country lines, and set up on a foundation with minimal permanent footprint, giving you the freedom to take your home wherever life takes you. Opting for a portable container home comes with a massive array of practical and financial benefits. First and foremost is cost effectiveness. Compared to traditional brick and mortar houses, container homes require significantly fewer raw materials and less labor, making homeownership attainable at a fraction of the price. They are also incredibly sustainable, giving a second life to tons of structural steel that would otherwise sit idle. Construction timelines are drastically shortened since the core structure is already built, allowing you to move into your new home in weeks rather than months. Furthermore, their inherent durability is unmatched. Made from weather-resistant steel, they offer superb structural integrity against harsh elements, all while giving you the unmatched luxury of geographic flexibility. Transforming the industrial, rigid shell of a shipping container into an inviting and beautiful home exterior is all about balancing textures and utilizing smart design accents. To make your container home look high-end, start by introducing natural elements to soften the cold steel. Cladding sections of the exterior with rich timber siding or adding a spacious wooden deck creates an instant organic connection with the surrounding landscape. Incorporate expansive floor-to-ceiling glass sliding doors to break up the solid metal walls and flood the interior with natural light. Don't forget about lighting. Installing warm, minimalist exterior sconces or ambient undercap lights highlights the unique corrugated architecture at night. Finally, frame your home with vibrant landscaping, such as potted ornamental plants, gravel pathways, or even a lush rooftop garden, to ground the structure beautifully into its environment. When it comes to architectural styles, portable container homes are incredibly versatile canvases. The most popular approach is the minimalist modern style, which celebrates the clean, straight lines of the container by using monochromatic color palettes like matte black, charcoal gray, or deep navy, paired with sleek glass panels. For those who love a warmer vibe, the industrial rustic style blends the raw, exposed corrugated metal elements with reclaimed wood accents, iron railings, and vintage-style lighting. If you prefer a hidden look, the eco-camouflage style completely conceals the container frame behind natural timber panels and living green roofs, making it look like a seamless extension of the forest. Lastly, the tropical open concept style uses vibrant paint colors, expansive cantilevered decks, and wide openings designed to maximize cross breezes and outdoor-indoor living. Now, let's look at the top 10 best portable container homes design ideas that perfectly illustrate these concepts, inspired by the incredible designs ideas. One, the charcoal slat haven. In this portable shipping container homes ideas, we see a brilliant example of how to perfectly balance industrial metal with natural warmth. This deep charcoal gray container home features an integrated wooden deck and a gorgeous overhead timber pergola. The wooden slat privacy screen on the side beautifully breaks up the steel, while simple potted pink flowers add a splash of welcoming color to the entrance. 2. The open-ended bedroom suite. As shown in this portable shipping container homes ideas, this innovative design utilizes the original cargo doors to frame a massive, floor-to-ceiling glass wall at the end of the container, turning the bedroom into a panoramic viewing deck. The side features multiple white-trimmed sliding glass doors that contrast sharply against the dark corrugated siding, set neatly upon modern concrete grid pavers. 3. The illuminating blue eco cabin. Featured in this portable shipping container homes ideas, this striking midnight blue container home stands out with its brilliant rooftop garden filled with desert flora and purple blooms. The large glass frontage reveals a warm, wood-paneled interior illuminated by glowing pendant lights. Bright orange accent chairs and a matching bench on the dark-stained deck add a wonderful pop of playful retro color. 4. The elevated orange split level. Looking at this portable shipping container homes ideas, this architectural masterpiece uses a split container configuration elevated on concrete piers. The bold coral orange accent walls pop vividly against the glass partitions and white metal roofing structure. The raised design not only protects against uneven terrain, but creates a dramatic, floating aesthetic perfect for hillside landscapes. 5. The extended monochromatic studio. In this portable shipping container homes ideas, a single extra-long shipping container is transformed into a sleek, dark matte gray studio. A matching stone path leads across a manicured lawn to a compact wooden deck sheltered by a minimalist timber pergola framework. This setup shows how a single container can provide ample length for a multi-room layout without feeling cramped. 6. The multi-level glass masterpiece. As displayed in this portable shipping container homes ideas, this luxury multi-container home stacks 3 units to create a magnificent 2-story residence. The design heavily features floor-to-ceiling glass paneling, including a completely transparent glass sunroom on the top floor. The warm wood ceilings inside contrast beautifully against the dark, imposing metal frames, surrounded by tropical palm trees. 7. The panoramic forest lounge. Seen in this portable shipping container homes ideas, this ultra-modern, elongated container home strips away almost an entire side wall in favor of solid glass panels. Set in a serene meadow, the interior is fully clad in light-toned natural wood, complete with a cozy wood-burning stove and a minimalist kitchen layout, offering an uninterrupted view of the wilderness. 8. The cantilevered beachfront. In this portable shipping container homes ideas, we see a creative coastal design featuring 2 bright blue containers stacked perpendicularly. The top container cantilevers out dramatically over the beach landscape, creating a built-in shaded patio area underneath. Complete with an expansive upper deck and premium gray wicker outdoor furniture, it is the ultimate seaside retreat. 9. The desert turquoise nomad. Captured in this portable shipping container homes ideas, this vibrant turquoise container home is mounted directly onto a heavy-duty trailer chassis, emphasizing true off-grid portability. Perfect for desert environments, it opens up with wide glass double doors onto a simple wood step, framed by rugged Joshua trees, a cozy fire pit, and black camping chairs. 10. The timber-clad eco-stealth. Finally, in this portable shipping container homes ideas, this home completely disguises its shipping container origins by utilizing horizontal lightwood cladding across the entire exterior facade. Featuring a beautifully manicured green grass roof and massive sliding glass panels that open directly onto a lush lawn, it perfectly bridges the gap between industrial durability and organic architecture. Portable container homes are far more than just a passing architectural trend. They represent an intentional shift towards smarter, more intentional, and flexible living. Whether you want to escape to the mountains, build a budget-friendly backyard studio, or craft a luxury multi-story architectural marvel, the humble shipping container proves that great design doesn't have to be confined by traditional boundaries. With the right blend of glass, timber accents, and creative styling, these metal boxes can easily become the most beautiful home on the block. If you love exploring these incredible portable container home designs, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for your weekly dose of inspiring architecture and home decor ideas. Which of our top 10 designs was your absolute favorite? Let us know in the comments section down below. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an upload, and we will see you in the next video.